To create an account on SkillCurator, click on the user icon in the right side of the navigation bar and then click on Login/Signup link. When the login page opens, click on the button given below, Login button. Now the sign up page will open. Choose I am a professional looking for work, and then fill out the details asked in the sign up form. After entering password, verify the reCAPTCHA and click on Sign Up or Create an Account button. If your account is created successfully, you will see the message with Account Created Successfully and Verify Your Email Link message screen. Now, go to your email you used to register your account and check an email from SkillCurator. Check spam or other folders if not an inbox. In the email, click on Confirm Your Mail link. Click on Confirm again if asked. You will be redirected to SkillCurator with already logged in. Click on the profile icon on the navigation bar and My Profile submenu link. You will see your profile page, but there is no enough information and the profile link is not set. So, go to the dashboard and click on the Edit Profile under Profile Management menu in the left sidebar of the dashboard to create your profile with resume. It is very important to create profile with resume so the employers can contact you for the right opportunities. On the Edit Profile page, you can upload your profile picture, resume, and update other details like basic information, experience, education, etc. You can choose to set the information in the section Public or Private. Fill out the details asked in the Edit Profile page. Fields with red asterisk marks are compulsory or required. You can set the profile link URL as per your choice in Professional Overview section. For a resume, you can upload a PDF or document file, or enter a link of resume. In the Skills field, when you enter 2 to 3 characters, it will suggest a skill. If not, write a word and press Enter for each skill you want to add. You can add multiple experience, education, portfolio, projects, and languages known by clicking on the Add link on the top right side of the section box. In the interests and causes supported fields, you can write the keywords and hit the Enter key same as you did in Skills field. Click on the Submit Profile Data button once you complete filling out the form and scroll up to see if your profile has been saved successfully. If the message "Profile successfully saved" is displayed, your profile is created. Click on the profile icon again on the navigation bar and go to My Profile. Your profile is ready with your chosen name, link, resume, and other details. You can share your profile with employers or in other network by clicking on Share Profile button. Thank you for watching the video. For any questions or details, go to the Contact page and submit the details through the contact form. We'll get in touch with you as soon as possible.